Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our 72 by 96 Beverly double flat door today.
Perfect.
This door is oil rub bronze. It has it's featured today with the rain glass that we have on there. This is a left-hand in swing, which means this left door opens to the inside left wall. This is one of our main designs. My dad designed this a while back. This is definitely we love this thing. This door, we have a tremendous amount of stories with my family that's been shared over this design in other people's houses. Super cool door. It's got a really awesome kick plate on the bottom. It's got that curve to it. This is another door that we're actually doing 4-inch tubes on the sides and then 6-inch. So, because if it was all 6-inch, we'll lose, the glass will be smaller. So we're trying to gain some glass size. It's got the scroll work. It's got the, he'll put it down there, I forgot what it's called, something leaf. This door comes in arch, in full arch. It comes in single door, double door, however you want to make it, we can make it. Awesome door. I mean, I'm sure you guys can see it and probably judge it yourself, and look at this thing. It's unbelievable. For this price, there's absolutely nothing else you can do to your house to gain such a big wow factor like this. I'm gonna flip this around and show you guys the back end of the Beverly door. Okay guys, so we're on the back side of the Beverly door. I'm gonna show you guys how to open the glass. You flick those knobs over, glass opens up. This is a dual glazed glass, so 2 pieces of glass on it. Total of 5/8 thick. This is made so you can clean the scroll work and the glass easier. Some people like to use it to vent the house out. For that, we also have a screen that's an optional screen. On any custom order, you can add a screen to the door. We'll make it to the door. But anything we have in stock, as of right now, we don't have screens in. All the doors come pre-prepped for locks. All the specs are on the description on the bottom of the door when you're purchasing it. Super cool door. It's got the design on the kick plate on inside and outside. It's the same design on inside and outside. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's a beautiful door. Can't really talk about it too much, but hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys have any other questions, please contact us at info@pinkysIrondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you.